100G is now everywhere. But when the link stays down, troubleshooting can get frustrating. Let's walk through the key checks you shouldn't miss. First, make sure the switch actually supports 100G. You can verify this on the manufacturer's official website, or check directly on the switch using CLI commands. For example, this port only supports up to 25G, so 100G will never come up. If the hardware supports 100G, check the port configuration. Some switches don't auto-adjust. You may need to manually set the port speed to 100G. Also confirm the port is not shut down. Admin down or err-disabled means the interface is disabled. And don't forget breakout mode. If the port is split into 4 by 25G, a 100G module won't work. Merge it back to 100G mode. Next, optics. Both sides must use matching modules. SR to SR, LR to LR. Not mixed. Then check compatibility. If you're not using original vendor optics, make sure they're coded for your switch. When connecting different brands, FEC settings may differ. Usually it negotiates automatically. But if everything else looks correct, make sure both sides use the same FEC mode. Finally, clean your fiber. Dirty end faces are one of the most overlooked causes of link failure. A 100G link doesn't fail randomly. It's almost always configuration, compatibility, or physical layer details. Follow a structured check, and you'll find the issue faster.